Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm actually going to be tinting the Mustang. Last episode, you guys saw, I messed up on the front windshield. Kayla's brother-in-law on his car. So I have Aaron coming over. And Aaron, if you guys don't know Aaron, I'll drop all his info, but Aaron is a pro tinter and he does windshield replacements. He actually was the one who showed me how to tint. But the hard part was shrinking to the windshield. That was very hard for me. So he's gonna come over, he's gonna show me how to shrink. Now, Cooper's coming over, which is Michaela's brother-in-law. If he gets here in time, we're gonna swap the cars out. And I'm gonna, cause I did a strip, if you guys saw the last video, I did a strip on his car. We're gonna re-tint his front windshield and get it all the way down. Make sure I can learn how to do it properly. And then after that, then I'll jump onto this one. Aaron's gonna be here, he's gonna be the guest today. If you guys are living in Arizona and need a windshield replacement or a mobile tinter, I'll drop his info below. Hit him up, he'll get it all done. But he's gonna show me how to get this done today. And we swapped the cars out. So, what's your answer? So Aaron's back. If you guys don't remember Aaron, go back in the last video. I dropped all his info. I'm gonna drop it again on this video. But he's gonna help me with this windshield because I fucked it up last time. So he's gonna explain it. He's gonna coach me through the whole thing. We'll get this done and then I'll get on the Mustang. So 49.
49. I would pull like 49 and then pull like extra 5 inches.
Okay. See, I know the problem is air getting in the way.
Oh yeah, huh? This is like the first thing you do. Lay it on there, make sure you're covered.
Okay.
And you want to make sure you got the liner facing the right way, right?
Yeah, it does.
You need to do the H pattern. The H pattern is basically splitting the windshield in half. And then this is the pillar of one H, and then that side is the other side of the H. So that's the H. When they say H, that's what they mean. That's what they mean.
Do you normally spray and then do it, like spray it behind and so you can do dry or you can do wet?
Yeah, there's those two things, dry and wet. I personally like the dry, but sometimes, especially if I do it outside, it's so breezy that it's almost impossible to do it dry because it just falls.
It's gonna move.
So then I just do it wet. It's easier to do dry because once you get it tacked down and you start shrinking, the film kind of just lays on itself.
Oh, the air.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll try that.
Yeah. When you do it wet, it's basically the same process and the same movements. It's just
with
you're
water.
Using a lot of your hand or a squeegee to make it lay down. When we're doing it dry though, I like to spray my hand.
Okay.
Or like a little rag. And then this is what I use to outline the H. So I'll run my hand right in the middle, across, just like that, so that the middle is tapped. Like that. And then you can do that side. Starting from the middle, we're kind of stretching from the middle that way. So just run your hand straight through, and then let the film lay down right on top of the wet where your hand just was. And then you want to, you don't want that little chink of air or anything right there. So just pull it your way.
You don't want no marks, right?
Yeah. You don't want any fingers right here in the middle.
Yeah, because it'll fuck everything up.
Yeah.
I learned that the hard way.
So on your card, go this way one time, and that's what you would call the tack. You got to tack down in the middle. And then to finish the pillars, get your hand wet again.
And then we're gonna go up
And
the
then you go
edges.
down this way. It's enough, just to get it wet in this area here. Start from the middle and kind of spread it so that it's laying down
Evenly?
Yeah, evenly, just right near that molding. That's pretty much all you need. And you want to purposely make these fingers, you want them to go to the inside. Once you got it laying as flat as you think you can get it, run your card on it, and that would be considered an tack, and it's stuck. Pull your knife out, and cut the rest of this excess off. Just be careful, don't cut too much,
Might become short.
Clears, yeah, it clears right there. Yeah, you can cut off. Top, you'll want to leave extra so you can pull.
Oh, okay.
You can hold it.
So I have a wrinkle right here.
Yeah, you see how it's folding over?
Yeah.
You want to cut
In there.
right here so that it's laying on the glass. Just enough so that you're covered, but you're not on the molding. So that's the H pattern right there. Basically, that's it. You can use this. You're going to use this on pretty much every window that is larger than a door glass.
Even on the back window.
Back windows, most times you will. This one, you could get away with just doing one side, but it's easier just to do it just like this. After you get the H pattern done, we get the heat gun ready and start shrinking. Visualize this as four quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So kind of work in the middle right here, right? First.
Personally, I would, yes, start in the middle. I would start in the middle. I would have the heat gun. Can you see where this is like moving the film?
Yeah.
Ideally, this is where you want to start. Where it's loose and not tacked. So you want to hit this part with heat. You'll start seeing it moving and making a see movement. You'll start seeing movement. Once you see movement, you'll want to start moving this way. To make it easier, I would shrink half of this. Okay. Move on. Do
Half of that.
Half of that. Half of that. Do this. And do that. And then move back to this side. That side. Continue. Once you get better, you can easily like shrink this whole thing and then finish that. These guys right here.
Yeah.
You want to put heat like right here. See how that feels?
Yeah.
See how it's moving?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see. So start at those finger tips. Start at the tips, and then follow it upward.
Okay. Do you want to squeegee it too? On your way up?
You can. Yes, you can. You just want to really just keep it moving.
Because once you stay, I can burn.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can burn or over shrink. Those are both bad things.
What would you do in that scenario? Throw that piece away?
Like what?
If you over shrank, would you throw the piece away, or would you try to?
I would try to make it work, but if it's obviously over shrank, it's probably just not going to work for you.
So
Once you go to install it, it'll not want to lay down. So here, I think we're good for now. Move over here. Let's go top.
So
The more that you can evenly shrink it, the better for the film, and then the less chance there is for over shrinking. Once you start putting heat here, that all might disappear. Like it'll start laying down much easier than this side was.
Okay.
Before we install it, we can do one more heat check to see like we can get rid of this after we cut it more easily than now. Because this is kind of trapped under there.
Okay, so when we cut it,
Okay. It'll kind of do like a relief thing, and it'll show probably a finger like this right here.
Okay. This is all shrank now. Aaron was saying that we're gonna cut it and then we're gonna get these little ones out after the fact. So we're gonna put a light on the inside so we can see the outline of the window, and we're gonna cut to the outline. After we do that, we're gonna shrink it and then we're gonna put it in. Oh my god. Ooh, that looks good. Dang. And she's done. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. And this is only 15, guys. There is a 15 strip. So we put the 15 on the 15. So that makes the strip limo. This is gonna be limo with the 15. The rest of the car is 15. The windows are a little dirty because the owner was driving it. But all these, this is every tinted, all this is tinted. Back windows tinted, everything looks good. The inside, oof, looks so good. Oh god, this thing's look good. So how would you say I did on the windshield?
You did great, super clean. I see nothing wrong with it. You did a great job.
Okay. Fuck yeah.
I don't believe you had a problem with the other one. If there was any, I couldn't see.
Oh, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post the video. I'm gonna post all my bloopers. If you check out the last video, you'll see all the bloopers.
Yeah.
You'll see like when I was doing it, you just see like a bubble, and then like another bubble, and I just couldn't get it.
Yeah.
I just was having a panic attack. And I was getting anxious, and there's like nothing I could do, and I walked away. I was like, I gotta walk away. I literally walked away. I ate some food. Okay, let me go back. And I tried to do it, and I did the H method, and I got to the H method, but I heated too much, and I shrunk it, and I burnt it.
Okay.
And I was like, shit. And that's why I was like, okay, let me text Aaron. Let me see what Aaron knows what he's doing. Aaron can help me. And on the first try too,
you got it.
I got a good teacher. Got a good teacher. Oh gosh. This is so nice. This is like, let's close the door. Even though that window's dirty, this thing looks clean now. Blacked out everything.
Yeah, solid Scion now.
Mm-hmm. And it's only 15% too. It's so dark for 15. Yeah.
And it's ceramic.
And it's ceramic. Yeah. It's gonna keep. He said with all the doors and just the strip alone, he said that he was so much cooler. He could tell a huge difference. He's like, dude, it's so much cooler in here. It's not hot, and the windshield, like not even the whole windshield was done.
Yeah.
So and then when he came today, he's like, I think with the windshield being done, he's like, it's gonna be so much cooler. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be. It's gonna be so.
It's the biggest piece of glass.
Yeah. If you guys are watching this, and you guys want to get a tint, you guys can hit him up. I'm gonna drop his info. You can hit me up. We're probably gonna do something together anyways. But ceramic is more expensive, yes. But you get what you pay for at the end of the day. You 100% get what you pay for. If you want to buy the cheap shit, cool. I'm gonna get the cheap shit eventually. I just have all ceramic. But 100% tenfold, you agree on ceramic?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ceramic's the way to go.
Ceramic's the way to go. I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna keep having Aaron come back. Check out his YouTube. You have YouTube, right?
I do have a YouTube.
Check out his YouTube. I'm gonna drop his YouTube. Check out his Instagram. You have a Facebook, right?
Yes, I got a Facebook.
He's got a Facebook too. I'm gonna drop his Facebook. I'm gonna drop everything in the description and everything else. So hit him up if you guys need anybody mobile. He's mobile all day, every day, 7 days a week.
Pretty much.
7 days a week.
Yep.
So, and he'll come to you. So, and for you, for me, you gotta kind of come to me because I ain't gonna go. So, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.